I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to work with pre-mades. Everyone has different preferences of what they like to work with. I customize the length of the stem. I personally think you need a little bit longer stem to get better retention. For me, a super wide W pre-made tends to hold the adhesive at the base, and so it can pull there and look a little bit more like a cluster. So I prefer this length. I customize this length to give the widest flare at the top and the best attachment at the base. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is show you how to pick up a pre-made. So I think you need a tweezer that has a slightly curved base, something with a pointier base. This is our Sinful Lashes. It's a volume tweezer, but I like it to pick up pre-mades. You need to pick it up lower on the base. So you've got to pick it up right where it meets at the base so that you don't crush the top of the fan. And that also gives you the ability to attach it underneath the natural lash. Sinful Lashes pre-mades are heat bonded, so there's no glue at the base. So what you want to do is when you lift it up off the strip, you're going to dip it into the adhesive just like you would a classic lash. And you want to make sure that you don't get too much adhesive on there. You're going to attach it underneath the natural lash. I think you get the cleanest application and a more seamless look along the base of the lash line. So I hope that helps in how to attach them. Okay, so when you're attaching a pre-made fan, you want to go underneath and get your attachment so that you get a full bond and it pulls the natural lash out of the sight line. So it's going to be a really clean application.